Welcome to the Brain Test Challenge. This puzzle is exploding across every platform right now. It's on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Twitter, everywhere. And guess what? 97% of people are getting it wrong. Today, I'm not just showing you the puzzle. I'm giving you the step-by-step solution that actually makes sense. Here's the exact puzzle that's breaking brains online right now. The viral bridge riddle. 4 people need to cross a bridge at night. Person A can cross in 1 minute. Person B can cross in 2 minutes. Person C can cross in 5 minutes. Person D can cross in 10 minutes. They have 1 flashlight. The bridge can only hold 2 people at a time. Anyone crossing must have the flashlight. They must all cross in 17 minutes or less. How do they do it? Pause right now and try to solve it. I'll give you 10 seconds to think. But fair warning, this is not as simple as it looks. Time's up. Now, here's why this puzzle is tricking everyone. Most people try the obvious. Send the 2 fastest people together first. A, 1 minute, and B, 2 minutes cross together, that's 2 minutes. A comes back with flashlight, that's 1 more minute. Then send the 2 slowest together, C 5 minutes, and D 10 minutes. Cross together, that's 10 minutes. Wait, we're already at 13 minutes and we still need someone to bring the flashlight back. That approach takes 19 minutes too slow. So what's the secret? The breakthrough realization is this. You need to minimize the time the slowest people spend crossing alone. Here's the actual solution. Step 1. A and B cross together. Since they go at B's pace, this takes 2 minutes. Total time, 2 minutes. Step 2. A returns with the flashlight. That's 1 minute. Total time, 3 minutes. Step 3. The 2 slowest people cross together. C and D cross. Since they go at D's pace, this takes 10 minutes. Total time, 13 minutes. Step 4. B returns with the flashlight. That's 2 minutes. Total time, 15 minutes. Final step. A and B cross together one last time. That's 2 minutes. Total time, 17 minutes exactly. They all made it. Why does this work when the obvious approach fails? Here's the mathematical insight. Key insight. Slowest people should cross together to minimize their individual crossing time. By sending C and D together, we only incur D's 10-minute time ons. If we sent them separately or with fast people, we'd waste time bringing the flashlight back multiple times. This is actually an optimization problem that companies like Google use in job interviews. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. What if we change the numbers? Variation 1. What if the bridge could hold 3 people? Variation 2. What if there were 5 people? Variation 3. What if the flashlight had limited battery? Comment below which variation you want me to solve next. I'll make a part 2 if this gets enough interest. Okay, time for your turn. 3 things I want you to do right now. First, comment below. Did you solve it before watching, or did it stump you? Second, like this video if you learned something new today. Third, share this with one friend who loves puzzles. Tag them in the comments. I read every single comment and reply to as many as I can. Let's see how many people actually solved it versus how many were tricked. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Until then, keep solving, and remember, sometimes the most obvious solution isn't the right one.